Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Hello viewers, I am Abdullah speaking in front of you. I am a son of Salim Singlish. I want to perform about my hen. My hen name is Adori. My hen color is white. My hen has chicken. My hen has chicken, five chicken. One chicken color is black and four chicken color are white. My grandmother feed hen and chicken. My hen goes out for eating. That's all my information. Share with me for the next video. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.